In this video, I'm going to show you how much conflict occurs and how to mitigate it successfully when you face any real project. So I have a sample project here, EX1, and I have a sample file which is a Java file. I'm going to commit this to the main branch, this initial commit. Let's push this and put into main branch commit. Okay. So now I have the main batch up to date. So next I would try to create a feature which kind of approach developer takes to create or work on a new feature. Let's call this as feature 1, and along this branch I'm going to change things on the file. Let's say add a feature 1 keyword into the existing array list, right? And I'm going to commit this. So let's call the commit message as feature 1 delivered commit push. Okay, so now we check the branches that we have. So we have feature 1 and main. So let's check out main. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new branch out of this main branch. Why am I doing? Because there is a chances of two developers working, cutting the same branch from main that maybe at the same point of time. To simulate that, I'm going to create a new branch out of it. So feature 2 is created. So basically feature 1 and feature 2 are created from the same main branch. So now I'm going to modify this file to include feature 2 on the same file. So let me explain you a few things here. The merge conflict occurs when two developers or two piece of commits point to the same ancestor file changes. So that's when it occurs, because Git doesn't know how to apply the merge, which changes to pick and which changes to occur ignore. So you need to, it allows us to select the feature that we need to merge. So basically that's what I'm trying to demonstrate here. So I have done the feature 2 changes here on this file, and I'm going to commit this to the feature 2 branch. Done. So now let's check out the main branch and try to merge. Okay, a few things I need to explain. I am doing it on the local repository without any server behind it. It's all in my local workspace, and so for the sake of demonstration I'm keeping it simple here. Let's try to merge feature 1 into main. Okay, that got merged, and we also have the commit history populated, right? So that's good. We can see one file updated, and we also see the feature 1 added to the array. Okay, that's good. Now when we try to merge feature 2 into the branch, let's see what happens. See, it is actually showing a conflict. So it is also giving a ready to use few options like accept your changes or accept these, or if you want to manually edit them, you can do it so by double clicking on the file, and you can also take a look into the changes that you want to apply. So here if you see, I have a I have a left side panel which shows the feature 1 changes, on the right side panel it shows the feature 2 changes. So this is overwriting, so Git cannot figure out which one to apply, which one to keep. So it is asking us to do a manual merge. So if you want to take this version of the code, you can accept it, or if you want to take this version of code, you accept this by clicking on this arrow, I'm going to take the feature 2 and apply. Okay, the changes and mark resolve. So this again pushes a commit. So this is how you do merge conflict resolution. Thanks for watching.